In this video, I'll show you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online with the new interface so your bank feed stays clean and you don't create duplicates. Automatic matching links downloaded bank or credit card transactions to entries you already recorded, like invoice payments, bill payments, expenses, and transfers. And it's usually enabled by default, so there's nothing special to turn on. Start by signing in, then go to Transactions and open Bank Transactions to see your connected accounts. Choose the correct bank or card at the top, then Review items under For Review. When QuickBooks detects a likely match, you'll see a match option on that line. Before confirming, quickly verify the amount, date, and payee details, especially if you have similar charges close together. If everything lines up, click Match and QuickBooks will link the bank feed item to the existing transaction, mark it reviewed, and keep your register tidy for easier reconciliation. If anything feels off, skip it or investigate instead of forcing a match. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that save time and prevent errors.